Welcome guys, today I have one of the best airdrop opportunities because you can farm 4 airdrops at once, and the greatest part is that this is severely underfarmed, and I will show you exactly how you can farm it the most efficient way because this is something nobody is going to show you. So the first thing is you want to swap into USDTO. We're talking about the Optimism SuperStacks, an airdrop from Optimism for the super chain, and we can right now get a new 8%, 8x multiplier by depositing USDTO, which is from layer 0 and Tether. So we get the layer 0 airdrop, we get the Soneium airdrop, the Sake Finance airdrop, the Optimism airdrop, and we also hit relay transactions for the relay airdrop. All of the links will be down below in the description and on my airdrop Excel guide on the Ethereum tab. So we want to get this address, which is USDTO on Soneium. If we go on relay, we select as the final bridge Soneium, we put this address here and select USDO. So we want to bridge from any kind of bridge into USDO. You also need some gas fees on Soneium, but again, this is a layer 2 of Ethereum. It's super simple. Get the transactions, bridge from multiple networks in USDO. Relay has pretty much everything you will ever need. It's amazing. One of the best bridge and swap experiences. And you have USDTO, USD0, whatever, USDT0, I don't know how it's called, whatever. So you've got that on Soneium. You can also deposit on Moonwell and Optimism mainnet if you have the boost there. I only have the boost on Soneium, so I do Soneium, and I also farm Sake, which I really like, and I farm Soneium that I really like, and I farm the Optimism chain. You know, you get it. You also have other options, but these are not so capital efficient. So I will give you the link for Sake Finance down below. You want to come here and deposit your USDTO, USDT0. You want to open up this collateral click. So you click here. You also get multiple points here. XP for Sake, ACS discrepancy points, and XP for the SuperStacks airdrop. Then what you want to do is scroll down and borrow other USDC or USDT. I suggest USDCE. Borrow 50% of your supply. Go to here, swap from USDCE to USDT0 and redeposit. That's how you loop on Sake. You can see your Sake airdrop on the rewards tab. I'm super new to this, just started it. I only have deposited super low amount of money. I'm just trying to find money to put in this one. And this is going to run till June 30th. So we're early. We're kind of late. We're like 1 month late, but we're still early. 100 million TVL, 28,000 participants. We've just got these multipliers and we're out farming like 90% of people that have deposited. You can see here Sake has only 16 million in TVL on USDT. So yeah, go ahead and do it. You also get the layer 0 airdrop. Guys, this is amazing. This is the best airdrop you can farm right now, or at least one of the best, because you get 5 big or 4 big airdrops at once. Thank you so much for watching. See you very, very soon. Goodbye.